Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So I just wanted to show you the last little build that I did here in this little Nissan NV 200. Small little yellow taxi van, kind of fun. It's an old New York taxi that this lady brought to me. She wanted to make it into a little camper build. We're kind of just doing it one phase at a time. So first off, there was nothing in here when I started the build. So took out any little bolts or anything on the floor, put on a nice subfloor here. Put some wool insulation under it, sheep wool, which she brought to me. She wanted to use to be a little more eco-friendly. Right here, I cut a hole out because there's actually a fuel tank, fuel pump access right there. So I kind of just did that just in case later on, if anything happens with the fuel pump, you can get to that a lot easier. The next thing she wanted done in here was the ceiling. So I actually battened that out and put a nice cedar ceiling up in here. So this taxi actually had a nice skylight, which is pretty cool, probably to see like the New York towers and different buildings and stuff. So we actually were able to box that out and build that in with some cedar, so that came out pretty nice as well. Gives you a little bit extra light and just kind of makes it feel a lot bigger in here. So as I said, cedar along here. Also built out the walls, trimmed them in with the doors as clean as we could. Boxed out the windows here, as you can see, just to make that kind of match the skylight. Nice little cedar shelf right there. Same thing on this side, as you can see. Nice little cedar shelf. Cedar along here. Roof fan vent I put in last time about a year ago. Just made sure that the trim fit in there nice and clean. Then this morning we finished up some carpeting along the side here. The back door along the side here. Up atop, took out these, put them back in with the carpet behind them. And then also some carpeting up here, and left the airbag exposed just in case. Obviously I don't want to carpet around that and have any problems. One of the other things she did, she brought me a Renogy 100-watt panel. So got that up on the roof here, as you can see. Bolted in here. It's not going anywhere. Not easy for somebody to steal it. Got that wired up right here through a roof solar gland right there. Brought the wires in, across, and down to here to her Goal Zero battery. As you can see right now, we got 38 watts coming in from the solar panel. And then we have just one plug for her roof fan vent, so she can turn that on. And the roof fan vent now has power. So pretty simple build all in all, but also very versatile. She'll think about what she wants to do in here a little bit more. Maybe next year bring it back to do some bench seats or a small bed setup or something. One last little thing actually, we're able to some nice little trim on the doors here. Oh yeah. Let's take that little piece off. There we go. Put some nice cedar on the doors here, so that kind of made it all come together in here, if you can see. There you go, so it kind of just flows a little better. As I said, she'll bring back to me maybe later next year. I'm gonna do a bench seat or something in here and get her all set up for some micro camping. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos of van conversions, check out the playlist over here in the corner. If you'd like to subscribe to see whatever we got going on here at Solid Woodworks, click the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.